either one.
workshop.
I picked one. I'm going to eat turkey. 저는 칠면조 안 쓰는 소고기 먹는데.
Sure. Sure you want the...
Yes. Did you got corn? Okay, 4. That's good amount.
Yeah.
근데 별로 많이 안 사서 양배추, 양파, 그리고 고기 이렇게 샀어. 토마토 들고 오니. 여러분, 월마트에서 쇼핑을 사가고 점심 먹으러 가려고. 빵, 베이글이랑 빵. 그 다음에 you ended up got fries.
Yeah.
I told you.
Fast food fries.
Just one burger is not enough, you know.
No, it's gonna be 2 burgers. Well, 2 burgers.
Double patty.
Double patty cheeseburger.
Maybe you can use all the patty actually.
Yeah.
Cause it's not that big.
No.
So
And make
그래서
smash burgers. Don't think you guys gonna make a smash burger.
쇼일하게. 어쨌거나 이렇게 샀는데 콜라 2박스랑 계란, 그 다음에 샴푸랑 컨디셔너, 레몬 주스 2병, 빵 2개. 하나가 좀 건강한 빵이라 좀 비쌌어요. 6개에 7,000원? 미국 돈 7불이니까 10만 원 정도 들었고, 그 다음에 비타민? 이렇게 사서 얼마 들었냐면 70불. 그러니까 한 9만원. 여러분, 이거 샀는데 한번 먹어볼게요. Can you open this for me? 안녕하세요. 오늘은 중요한 행사가 있어서 옷을 갈아입도록 하겠습니다. 앞머리 했는데 괜찮아요. 옷을 갈아입고 다시 보여드리도록 할게요. 렌스랑 같이. 안녕하세요 여러분. 저희는 이제 행사에 가기 때문에 옷을 다 입었어요. 평소와 다른 모습에 좀 깜짝 놀랐었죠. 평소에 이렇게 안 입는 편한 옷을 이렇게 입었어요. 이번에 급작스럽게 맞춘, 아무래도 옷 스타일이 맞진 않지만 그래도 앞머리 어떻게 하면 좋을까? 오늘은 공원 있는 데 왔는데 여기가 강에 This is river, right? Lake. 레이크가 뭐 호수? 아무튼가 강에도 호수도 뭐가 있는 것이 있어서 저번에는 이쪽을 걸었거든요. 1시간 걸렸어요. 오늘은 이쪽을 걷는데 너무 예뻐서 보여드리려고 영상을 켰어요. What are you doing? Baby! Baby! 아이 귀여워. 우리 비비 이쁘죠? 하네스 새로 샀어요 이번에. 돈이 많이 들었어요 여러분. 저 하네스에 40불 정도 들어서 한국 돈으로 6만원 정도 든 것 같아요. 근데 그 목 쪽이랑 등 쪽은 쿠션이 있어서 좀 더 안전하고 튼튼해서 샀습니다. 강아지들이 걸을 때 편해하니까 샀고, 이것도 샀어요. 이거 페니팩이라고. How much you spent on this?
I don't know.
이것도
$5.
비쌌어요. Quite a bit dollar. Yeah, it's a little expensive.
Huh?
So I think 50?
No.
Yes, it was. But anyways, 여러분 가까이 가서 더 찍어서 보여드릴게요. 여러분 이거 무슨 대포 같은 건데, 여기가 레이크 미시간이라고 해가지고 그런 느낌이에요. 이렇게 생긴 곳이에요. 여러분 보여드려. 비비가 처음으로 강 있는 데 왔어. Bibi, do you like water? It's your first time being nearby the ocean. I mean the lake. 비비 샤워하는 거 싫어해서 좋아할지는 모르겠는데. 어때요? 예쁘죠? 물가가 세네요. Do you think Bibi likes to be near the water?
maybe.
강 근처를 걷는 가운데 너무 시원해 보이죠? 수영하면 뒤질 것 같은 그런 느낌인데 어? No, let's not get too closer in case. I think Vivi likes the texture of the sand. Maybe we can go like there and see maybe Vivi wants to touch the water. Yeah. But it says no swimming. 수영하지 말라고 써요, 여러분. 절대 수영하지 마세요. 근데 예뻐. 비비가 처음 찾는 물. 비비는 she doesn't like swimming. 우리 강아지는 물을 싫어합니다, 여러분. She doesn't like water. Bibi, water did not even touch you. Why you freak out so much? But you love the sand. I know. You love the sand? 모래사장은 좋아한대. 물은 너무 싫어. 가기 싫은가 봐. Come, baby. It's a water. It cleans your feet.
Tell them what we're going to do. Beef versus turkey. What burgers would be the best? I'll tell you the answer right now. Beef.
터키. 아니 이거 터키 가른 거랑 그 다음에 소고기 가른 거랑 해서 햄버거 만들 건데 어떤 햄버거가 더 맛있을지 만들어 보려고 합니다. 저는 건강하게 먹는 편이라 터키 버거를 먹고 낸스는 그 소고기 버거 먹다고 해요. Big fan. Are you sure?
2 burgers can fit on here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is my towel for cooking. Why are you using my towel for cooking?
Yeah.
Because can you get the other ingredients? That's really nice. Please.
I don't think I'll show this. Huh?
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Why would you show that?
There's a lot of stuff in here. 여러분 오늘은 제가 설거지. This time I'm doing this. Not like last time. Remember?
I mean,
You literally ate lunch for steak and literally everything was your dish. Like I did this and you like I did this.
you literally only did it once that day. You're trying to argue with me saying that you did more than once.
For one for the dish that I didn't even do
Okay.
it at all.
I think your dishes that I don't even use.
No.
Yes.
Everything cook for your dinner.
Yeah. And you cook for your dinner, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
And all
combined.
clean.
Right?
Huh?
It's combined, isn't it?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Do you want to drink coffee to wake up? Oh? Yep.
I want to sleep. This is called a fish spatula. Because of that. See what it does? It goes down like this. Like underneath the fish, easier. But also it can be used for burgers, steaks, anything. You can use for anything. Really good spatulas.
아, 저거는 생선 뒤집는 그런 거래요. 이게 너무 생선 뒤집는 to flip the fish, right? What's the English?
Fish spatula.
Fish spatula?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like a fish. That's one? Oh, 귀여워. Oh my god. It really makes the thing
Yeah. You have to. No, just right now.
I love onion, by the way. Make it extra onion for mine. Oh, one big onion would be good. Just one big onion. I want much. You eat little, I will eat less.
So you want this whole big of onion?
여러분, 이 정도 양파는 보통 양 아닌가요? 좀 크게 하네. I think that's too big.
Shit. This.
Can you what?
Can you eat 2 eggs? Actually, 3 eggs. I want to have one on mine.
I don't want eggs.
No, mix it in your patty. So it stays together better.
아니면 one way for entire dish. subsribe?
Yeah, 1 egg for my sandwich.
자기 거 햄버거 하나. 그다음에 이거는 소고기 grounded beef mixed with this, right? 가른 소고기랑 섞을 거. 이거는 제 거 터키 고기 가른 거 섞을 거래. 여러분, 어? 이거 샀어요. 한일한테.
Thank you.
Give me this cold drop.
French fries. No, we don't bake enough. I don't caramelize the onions, okay?
Huh?
I don't caramelize the onions, okay? I'll just put the onions
What's how?
in the pan.
Okay. Can you use that?
Yeah.
Fries. 감자튀김. You want me to put it there?
Yeah.
You want that oil or that oil?
That doesn't need a lot of it.
Really? 감튀를 자른 거. fork. Is it okay? Oh, it's so small. Like McDonald's bun. 이래가지고 완전 조그마해. Would you like to bake mine too?
Eat butter. Put a little butter on it.
Okay. 버터를 위에 좀 바르세요.
I'll put those in a little bit after.
Cook.
I'll put those. I'll put those in first.
And the ones that are cooked then. Okay, I got it. So, 오븐에 넣을게요. Put it in oven.
Nice.
I realized something.
Is it pan click? Is it pan click?
여러분 잠깐 비비가 너무 귀여워서 보여드릴게요. Okay.
Give me your turkey.
Okay. I want enough pepper. I will throw away.
Your oysters.
Oh, we will mix.
You mix it.
Oh.
Mix yours by hand.
Can I use a spoon? 손으로 하는데. Oh, pepper?
Yeah, you put a pepper on top of it or something.
이렇게 있는 거를 손으로 더 젓가락을. 여러분 저 손 깨끗해요. 그럼 이렇게. 댄스가 미트볼도 진짜 잘 만들어요. 토끼가 냉장고에 방금 나와서 차갑고 손으로 잡기.
No. You said you don't mix it with your hands.
I did.
Can you give me one more? Hey.
My hand after I cook.
Yeah.
I got another egg. 하나 더 쓰겠다 해가지고.
Both parts there with some kind of paper.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Whopper is small. You say you're making two burger, right?
We'll take maybe four.
Wow.
I'm making smash burgers.
Oh.
I'm making 2 patties.
여러분, 미국 스매시 버거 유명한 거 같아요. America known for a smash burger, right?
Yeah.
Smash burger is because the patty is smashed.
Yeah, it does sometimes. It gets crispy on the bottom.
바닥을 크리스피하게 만든.
How big the patties won't be.
Small.
Yeah, but when you smash it, it's so big.
What about mine?
It's big.
Oh wow. Yeah. Maybe a little bigger than that.
Like 2 ounces. What? How big do you want?
Can I have a like, like wrap? So like, if I don't eat all this, I will smash. This is so good. I just realized something. One person will make this and one person will wrap it. Oh, you gotta cook it all. 이거 먹으라면 튀기는 게 맞네. I will wrap it. What are the... Should we wrap that? This is for 1 month. 양파볶음 만들고 요리를 하다 보면 요리하면 재밌는데 뭔가 어느 순간에 나는 재미없는 거라고 얘는 재밌는 거 하는 기분이 들지만 사역 이거 다 못 먹으니까 만들어서 굽기른 상태로 해서 모형만 이렇게 생색이 가면 함박스테이크 사는 거 아시죠? 이런 식으로 만들래. Okay, so you cook the bird and then you cook me. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I should. 맛있다. 더러워져.
Okay. Voice in the oven. Don't touch the knife. It's hot, man.
Oh. That was close.
What?
It almost touched you.
Okay.
Last time was a pan, this time is a rice cooker board.
I mean, if someone buys me a thingy, I'd rather use all these weird stuff.
이거 뭐 고기 같은 거 구울 때 누르는 거 사주면 이런 거 안 써도 된다는데. But if you have you watched my last video? In last video, in Korean subtitle, you should put English subtitle in my video. In Korean subtitle, I said I am not going to buy, but listening doesn't cost.
Yeah, don't keep on using crazy stuff like this. See what I have to deal with,
근데
guys?
안 사주면 이런 다양한 도구들을 써버린다. 네.
See what I have to deal with, guys? Like, I can't work in these conditions.
여러분 햄버거 하나 만드는데 I guess I can press down with the fillet thing or this one 이런 걸로 누르면 되지 뭐 무슨 호떡
Yeah, but if you
누르기를
had like a little steak thing, you could just and like done.
I'm vegetarian. I don't eat steak. No, actually. 전 베지테리언 존중합니다. 저는 베지테리언 아니에요, 사실.
Thank you.